how to save your TikTok videos without Watermark. So to get started, go ahead and open the TikTok application into your device. So go ahead and open the TikTok application, and then from here go ahead and select a video that you want to download into your device. So go ahead and look for a video that you want to download into your device. You can go ahead and scroll down to look for a video to download into your device. So once you have found a video, go ahead and click on the share button at the bottom right of the video. And then from there, go ahead and click on the copy link button. And then once copied, head over into your browser. Now on your browser, go ahead and search for Snaptic. So this application will allow you to download your video without watermark. So go ahead and paste the link of the video on this section, and then click on that download button. And then once this is done, you can go ahead and click on this download video button to start downloading the video into your local device. And then once you open the video, you'll be able to open it without any watermark or TikTok logo in here. And that is how you can basically save your TikTok videos without watermark.